just do a couple more runs up and down because it's just dark in it, and then we'll get in the daylight and get the armour quake out. Oh, so it just won't quite self-right. A bit more power it will.
Near the front, so our top 4 onto top 6 now while doing the
I'm a geek, here it goes. Woo, it's sliding around a bit. Woohoo! I'm a geek. It's a right geek, isn't it? Over it in a crazy wheelie. Stability, this is better, did I say that? Looks, they're about the same. I think they're both fantastic looking. Durability we'll have to find out on a later date, but I think with the Quake being lighter, right peeps, you know how we roll on this channel. There it comes. Oh, won't even backflip. Woo! There it comes. Oh, that was intense. That was intense. Bit now. I've had enough. The pumpkin's tougher than the crate. Really wants to please you, this truck, though. I'll give it that. That's great. Oh, I haven't done it again, has it? Yeah, it's come out again, look. I bet that's the other side. Woo! It is good, look at it. When it's right, you struggle to beat this. It's absolutely great. There's no Tory. I mean, the blue bang bus. Over. Bear in mind that my driving's absolutely terrible as well, so I mean, I'm not really like the best or anything, so I'm not giving them the best advantage, the best start in the world. Come on, it's just, that's pretty cool the way it's just spinning. Why are these so cool, RC heads? Right, I don't want to end up over that edge there, and we're totally, here we go. Right, can we, oh, what we're gonna do here, peeps? Oops, it's gone. Try again. I need to come round and try and go up there, but oh, no one down there, is there, just in case it falls on the red light. Right, it's this side that we need here, but I just don't think we're gonna. Oh, it's on its wheels. It's still driving down there, can you see it? Oh, I don't get it. About with that, and we've now got... It's nice. So if you saw the live last night, you would have seen me faffing with that, and look, that's it's a lot better now, he says. We got traction now. Oh, that was intense. That was intense. Oh, this is going to be harder than I thought. I told you. I told you. Oh, let's bring it back. Oh, we got a little one. Oh, it's so hard to sort of, let's see if I can get behind it a bit. This is fun, this though. If I can get here, I might be able to get in a better line. It's hard when you stood at that angle. But then the problem is then we're not going to see the pumpkin smash, are we? That's, oh no, I've got to stand next to it, haven't I? Oh, I thought I was getting it then. I'm going to have to stand next to it, we're going to miss it. I should have set another camera up. Oh! Yeah, I should have put a camera up down there, really. Oh, it's rolling. See ya. This is harder than you think, this. Oh, I got the little one. Right, let's set this back up. Send it, send it, send it, send it. You can do little tricks with these actually. If you get it to do it, you should be able to reverse. Oh, hang on, forward, reverse, that's it. You should be able to get it to sit on its nose. Look at my bonnet's come open, look. Sort of. Right, this is easy, gotta make it through here, ain't it? Come on, little mini thing. There we go. Have we? Oh no, it's still grounded out. We made it through. Oh, get round. Oh, yes, yeah. Why is that so cool? Honestly, you're probably thinking I'm mad. I'm in my 40s, and I'm thinking, what is Jim Bob doing today? But trust, you're missing out. And again, we've literally hit a brick wall. I promise you, cheap RC fun. Look at that roll out there. It's not all about the big fast stuff, is it? Now, I did drop a comment the other day that I'm fed up of seeing minis, but you know, I take it back. What I meant by that is there's too many minis on the market. I want to see some cheap quality bigger stuff, but that's just ace. Well, what did I say? Third time's the charm. Let's find out. If it breaks now, I'll give up. But do you know what? I love this little truck. Oh, I can remember unboxing this and being like, wow, what an absolute thing. It is amazing. You could have sought out a few upgrades for it, and then you can do crazy things like that. It is good, look at it. When it's right, you struggle to beat this. Absolutely great, notorious. I mean, the blue bang bus. Go over here. I do apologise if the lighting's a bit off today. It's very dull and cloudy. It's absolutely fantastic. We're getting somewhere now, look. I knew that other dog bone would come out. It had to, didn't it? Right, wheelies on command. I think we might do it. We might get a full battery out of this. If I be careful, we'll get a full battery out of it. Come on. So when I first got it, I took it down. Oh, hey, where's it going? I took it down a local park. Oh, we've totally lost it now. I see heads. Whoa, where is it? Wheels coming off, I think. Something's going on. I took it down a local park, had a little go with it, and then I took it straight down to a skate park and absolutely sent it. And I wish I didn't, because it's just such a nice truck. If you looked after it, it will look after you. We've got something going on. There's I don't know, it looked like we had some kind of rare issue. I don't know. Seems alright. It's a bit wobbly on the back. But yeah, totally my bad. I said this one doesn't come with EXB bits on it. The new version, they've totally sorted it out. It does look a lot better. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. What's happened there? Hammer! We need hammer. Oh no. What's going on now with it? Oh, front dog bone out. Got jammed. Right, we sort that one out.